How to fix Google Meet fail to join meeting on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Google Meet fail to join meeting on Android phone. First open settings and then scroll down until you find here apps, and now click apps again, and here type Meet and click on it. Now click storage, clear cache, and then force stop, and now click permissions and give it all of those permissions here, and then just go back, restart your phone and try again. And if that doesn't fix your problem, now it means that you need to update your Google Meet. Just click Google Meet, type here Google Meet, and make sure Google Meet is updated. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.